Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Mercedes. It's a C220, the real Mercedes engine, AMG Sport. As you can see, it's in absolutely fantastic condition. Does not drive or look like the mileage in any way, shape or form. It's got a lot of extras. It's fully loaded. So you've got the front park distance control, diamond cut start alloy wheels, rear park distance control. It's got the full AMG body styling with the deeper rear diffuser. No scuffs on the bumpers or anything, really is lovely. Roof's in lovely condition. Got the Burmeister speakers, it's got the air scarf, it's got heated seats, electric memory seats, electric windows, power folding mirrors, fully loaded there. It's got the AMG carpet mats, there's no wear on the bolsters, no burst seats. Absolutely lovely condition. Even got the Burmeister in the rear as well. The heated scarf that comes through there, air scarf. Auto headlights. To start the car up, it's push start. 832 miles. Paddle shift on the gearbox if you want to drive it that way. Full multifunction steering wheel. You've got electric steering wheel, cruise control, satellite navigation, reverse camera with the lines, all full media settings with Bluetooth connectivity. You've got all the different driving style modes as well, sport, comfort, etc. And obviously a fully electric operating hood. Just show you now all working very quickly. Nice and quick that is. Probably lots of other extras which I haven't been able to show you. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.